Hi guys, Abs here and welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to be announcing the lucky winners that won a developer's license of our brand new software, snipranker. So we're giving away several developer licenses, and for this giveaway, we actually worked with a brand new app. It's a brand new to us, and it's called King Sumo, and it worked really well. We got 330 contestants, which means we had 330 unique users come along and sign up for this giveaway. So we've got several developer licenses to actually announce, and I'm going to be announcing them in this video. But just before I do that, I've got some important details to make notes about snipranker. So we've made some new updates, we've made it more powerful, we've made it easier to work with, and it allows you to uncover and expose even more featured snippets that rank in position 0 inside of Google. So just to make notes, guys, what snipranker does is it will actually do a search inside of Google for your keywords, and it will try and expose featured snippets, or it will try and expose keywords that Google shows featured snippets for, because Google doesn't show featured snippets for every single keyword, but when it does, then it shows them at position 0. Position 0 means it ranks above all organic results inside of Google, okay, which is absolutely brilliant because they look great, they get more exposure, they're going to get a higher click-through rate, and you're going to be able to convert that traffic or get that traffic, which is targeted traffic, directly over to your websites. So it doesn't show featured snippets for all keywords, but when it does, there's no better place to rank than in a featured snippet. And the good thing about featured snippets is that you don't need to rank in position number 1 in order to get selected as a featured snippet. And when you actually see the featured snippet, you're able to see the website, you're able to go over to the website, see how the website has optimized to be selected for this, and it greatly increases the chances of you being able to rank inside of Google at position 0 in a featured snippet as well. Okay, so here's the software, guys. I've already done a run on this, and as you can see, I let it run for 16 minutes. I was able to expose 1,594 featured snippets keywords that Google is showing inside of Google. Okay, I only added the one keyword, and I made use of a brand new feature called Related Snippet Booster. I'm going to be showing you this and how this works as well. So the Related Snippet Booster, what this does, it goes over to Google, it will type in your main keyword, try and expose featured snippets, and with each search, it will also scrape the related terms from Google, and it will do a search for each one of them as well, and it'll try and expose even more featured snippets for these keywords as well, which is absolutely brilliant, guys, because what this allows you to do now is just add your main keyword, work with the Related Snippet Booster, and as you can see, the software continues to add more keywords to do searches for, to reveal even more featured snippets, and all you had to do, guys, is just add one main keyword inside of here to get it started. And as you can see, I actually clicked stop here because it had so many more keywords to go through, so you can actually leave this on all night. You can leave it running on your VPS and really uncover those terms. But one of the things that we found, guys, is look, we've just uncovered 1,594 keywords. Now, how do we sort which ones we go after first? So this is where one of the other new features that we added to this actually comes in. So let me just show you the results first, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by this. So we've still got the keywords that we searched for and we initiated the actual feature snippets for. We've got the feature snippet questions that are ranking inside of Google. We've got the answers, we've got the word count that shows you how many words are being used and shown inside of Google. We've got a date, if the date is actually available, to show you when Google first picked up on this content. We've got the source, which shows you the URL so that you can actually go over to the website and you can see exactly how they have been optimizing. We also have the HTML style. Google shows featured snippets in paragraphs, in lists, in tables. This will tell you exactly how they have been styled and how they've been showing. And now we have a brand new area and a brand new section called occurrences, guys. Now what happens here is, let's say the software was doing a search inside of Google for what is SEO, and it found how is SEO done. As you can see, it found this 16 times. Okay, now let's just say it also started to do a search for what is SEO UK, and again, how is SEO done was shown by Google. Then this occurrences section shows you how many times these featured snippets were shown by Google throughout the snipranker search. And what this allows us to do now is sort these from highest to lowest, or largest to smallest, to show the most frequently occurred featured snippets towards the top. And the chances are that these featured snippets that are occurred the most have the most amount of traffic associated with them. They're going to be the most relevant and the most on topic for you to go after first. It just gives you a way to really, sort this and know exactly what kind of keywords and everything and featured snippets you want to target first for your pages, guys. So this is a really cool feature that we've added to snipranker, guys, and it's absolutely brilliant, guys. I love working with this now, and how can I do SEO for free? How can I learn SEO fast? How is SEO done? Why is SEO so expensive? Is SEO free? Is SEO a waste of money? These are the kind of questions that have been asked for the most, or that the software has found for the most, and each one of these guys is going to have a feature snippet inside of Google, which is absolutely brilliant. So when you see these keywords and when you see this content inside of you in this CSV file, every single one of these gives you the opportunity to rank at position 0 in a featured listing above everyone else. Okay, so this is a new feature that we've added. We've added even more features inside of snipranker, guys. It's working really, really well, and I'm going to actually be giving you some details about what some of our beta testers have been saying about this as well. Okay, so let me just make some more notes on here. I've actually got a little list that I wanted to go through. Okay, so what is snipranker? I've already mentioned that. The new features, I mentioned that as well. The type of results you can expect, as you can see from here, guys, you're going to have absolutely everything in a file for you to actually go out there and start dominating these for yourself as well. We're going to go live with this, guys, on Sunday. So Sunday is the 28th of July, guys. So I know we don't normally go live with products on Sundays, guys, but you know what, we've decided to choose a Sunday for this, and to get the best possible price as well, guys. Then, as you know, with all of our tools, guys, when we first initially release the tools, we're going to have a nice cheap price. So I'll highly encourage you guys to come along and get this when we go live, because the quicker you get it, the cheaper the price is going to be. So anyway, it's very cheap, as with all of our products, especially during the launch phase. So come along and do try and get this. We go live on Sunday, guys, and we're only going to probably go live for about 3 or 4 days, so there's going to be a short period for you to actually get this for. Okay, and one of the questions that we got is, can snipranker be used for local results? And one of our beta testers, Karen, is actually using this for local results. So what she does is she gets this content from snipranker. So she was doing things like, painting a room and working for painters, or she might be working for plumbers and she'll be doing plumbing related keywords, and the software was picking up snippets that would rank in a featured snippet, and she was adding them to her GMB pages, and they're working really well for her Google My Business pages, guys. So that's a way that you can use this for local as well, and of course for national and e-commerce and whatever kind of blogging info kind of site you have. It's going to be brilliant to use for all of that as well, guys. So getting the best price, guys, try and pick it up as early as you can. Keep a lookout for our emails, because you know what, we're going to be getting in contact with you on Sunday to let you know when we go live. So it's probably going to be around 10 a.m. Eastern time, which is like 5 hours behind the UK. So it's going to be like 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. It's going to be like 3 p.m. UK time, 10 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so let me go over and pick our lucky winners. So I've never used this before, guys, so please bear with me. It's the very first time I'm using this as well. So I've never actually clicked this, but I'm going to click on ready to award. The first thing that I should do, guys, is I actually opted in for this myself, as you can see down here, because I wanted to see how it worked. So I'm going to remove myself from here. Now, I don't know if I can do this. Abbas, enter. Nope. Okay, I marked it as Ahmed, enter. Here we go. Here I am. As you can see, there's my image there, guys. So I'm going to remove myself from here. Are you sure you want to remove this contestant? Yes, I do. Okay, brilliant. So now we have 329 contestants. As you can see, we had 3 late users apply on here as well, but they haven't been given any entries in here because they were late. So I do apologize, guys, but maybe you guys signed up just to be notified about snipranker going live. Who knows? Anyway, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over and award these, ready to award. Fantastic. So I don't need to do nothing here, guys, and it automatically selected the users for me. So as you can see, we have Okay, I can't give out the email addresses. I don't really have a name down here as well. But you can see a probability of them actually winning. All of them were under 1%. This user here, actually, or this contestant here had a better chance of winning because they had 17 entries. And you was given more entries if you was, if you shared it on Facebook or you shared it on Twitter or what have you. Okay, so I'm not going to redraw. I'm going to keep these as the actual users. I'm going to copy this data and I'm going to add it to a file down here, guys. I don't want you to see this, so I'm not going to be able to do it. Okay, there you go, brilliant stuff. So there you go, guys. So congratulations to our three lucky winners. What I'll do, I'll actually mention the first part of your emails so that you know who you are. So we've got V. So all of you three guys, congratulations on having a SnipRanker developer's license. You're not going to have to buy SnipRanker when we actually release it on Sunday now. And our support department will be getting in contact with you and sending you a SnipRanker license before we go live on Sunday. So the chances of you getting your SnipRanker license by tomorrow is going to be greatly, it's very high. So anyway, thank you all to everyone else that has actually that participated inside of the SnipRanker giveaway. Again, guys, we go live on Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern time. It's a very good software. We've got a very nice pricing structure. It's very unique at what it does. I haven't seen any other tool that can do what SnipRanker does in the marketplace. We've added even more features to make it even better for you and even easier and even simpler to expose these featured snippets that Google shows inside of the search engine. So yes, you know what, come along on Sunday, wait for my email and you know what, be ready to work with SnipRanker, because you can expect to get some brilliant results, and you can work with it for your sites, for your client sites, for any site that you actually work for. And in fact, in our video tutorials, I'll show you how to get the best results with the data you get from SnipRanker. I actually show you 2 methods of working with SnipRanker to rank and get a feature snippet for yourself, or to create FAQ pages and, you know what, really increase traffic by answering the questions that your customers are actually asking. So anyway, thank you very much to everyone, and I really hope to see you on Sunday. And we've got some great tutorials that show you some best practices and some other things in there as well. We actually share templates with you as well, and all sorts, guys. So anyway, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy working with SnipRanker.